Captain Robert Yap, aling lead conveyor. Others, Attorney Alex Lacson, aling conveyor. And it's signed by 140 generals, lieutenant generals, major generals, puro general ito, George, colonel captains, former PNP.
Eleksyon na ba yung bansa natin? Ganito pa rin tayo. May nabago ba?
Wala!
May nabago ba sa bansa natin? Tayo ay matagal nang nakikipaglaban para sa kinabukasan ng mga simpleng mamamayang Pilipino. Tayo po yun. Tayo po yun. Tayo ay nakipaglaban at naipanalo natin ang malaking struggle noong pandemya. Napahinto natin ang illegal lockdown. Napahinto natin ang experimental vaccine. Napahinto natin ang mga batas na gusto nilang isulong sa Senado. Napahinto natin lahat yan dahil sa tulong-tulong nating pagpupunyagi para kumilos tayo ng payapa at mapakinggan nila. Tayo ay naniniwala na magsama-sama lang ang mga Pilipino, magsama-sama ang ating magigiting na mga retired and active military, mananalo ang bansa natin. Babasahin ko po sa inyo yung demand. Ito po ay hindi request, ito po ay hindi pagmamakaawa, ito po ay demand ng retired military personnel, both PNP and AFP. Lumagda po sila rito, pinareceive natin noong first day. Ito po ay demand, hindi po ito pakiusap. Kung maiintindihan ni Mr. George, may isang kalahating araw ka pa para bumaba. May kalahating araw ka pa para bumaba, George! Akala mo ang taong bayan tahimik. Akala mo ang taong bayan okay lang na niloloko nila sa Comelec. Akala nyo lang yan. Libong retired and active military pumirma sa demand.
Para po yung doon, sticker.
Alam natin sa Lunes, pag itinulay ng Comelec ang eleksyon, first day pa lang, magulo na. Yan po ang nakasali po sa demand ng ating mga noble, retired, and active militaries. Babasahin ko sa inyo. George, makinig ka! Palagay ko, nabasa mo na ito eh. Commission on Election. Attention, George Garcia, Ray Bulay, Marlon Casquejo, Nelson Celis, Jaime Perolino, Socorro Inting, Ernesto Bacena. Hindi kayo dapat tawagin na honorable. Subject, demand letter. To all members of the Honorable Commission, we, the undersigned, concerned retired members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines and the Philippine National Police, faith-based organization, business people, professional, and civil society members, write to you express our great concern and disappointment at your decision to remove the opportunity of every voter to verify if the candidates he or she voted for are reflected in the QR code issued to him after voting. As of today, many OFWs in different countries who voted noticed that their QR codes did not reflect the names of candidates they voted for. Worse, other candidates they did not vote for were reflected in their QR codes. Naturally, those OFW voters became angry and highly suspicious of the election system. George, makinig ka! George Garcia explained that the system was programmed that way in order to protect the secrecy, sanctity, and integrity of votes. According to Chairman Garcia, the voters' QR code will really show the encrypted data, the different names of candidates, but will not reflect the names of candidates they voted for. Sinungaling ka, George! We find the explanation completely unacceptable. It is highly questionable, doubtful, illogical, unbelievable, and therefore highly suspicious. The best way to protect the sanctity and integrity of votes is not by keeping it totally secret, even from the voters themselves, by transparency, and especially by allowing voters to verify if their votes were reflected and counted. The voters have the right to verify his or her vote. That is, to verify the candidates he/she voted who or are reflected and counted. This right is guaranteed under Republic Act 9369. You violated this right, George! Binayolate mo ang karapatan ng taong bayan. Mamaya sasabihin ko sa iyo kung paano tatabla ang taong bayan sa inyo. The voters verified paper on the trail, BVPAT, is also expressed required under RA 9369. You also violated this legal requirement. Pangalawang violation mo, George! Pangalawang violation mo, constitutional violation. Kahit bitayin ka ng taong bayan, wala ka magagawa. In the 2016, 2019, and 2022 national elections, the voters were issued their respective electronic receipt of BVPAT that show the list of candidates they voted, but you completely removed this feature under your present system. Pangatlong kasalanan mo sa taong bayan. Interestingly, you did not disclose to the public and media that this was your plan all along for this election until the overseas Filipino voters discovered it. We demand for COMELEC to act with urgency. Ulitin ko, George. Dinidemand ng mga retired militaries to act, for you to act with urgency on the following. To immediately suspend the online voting for overseas Filipinos and restore the BVPAT features and reflects the actual votes of voters with end-to-end vote verifiability. Number two, if the above cannot be done, to allow manual counting at the present level after the automated election procedure in the present has been completed as mandated under Section 31, Republic Act 9369. Number three, we demand to allow the taking of photos by the accredited poll watchers and watchdog on the voters' receipt of BVPAT, to allow independent third-party audits by civil society representatives, election watchdogs, and cybersecurity experts. As concerned citizens, we will be closely watching and monitoring how you will address and resolve these issues prior to the election. Half-day na lang, George! Half-day na lang meron ka for the Filipino people. Anim, alyensa na nagkakaisang mamamayan. Signed, Edwin Fernandez, Chairman, Electoral Reforms Committee. Brigadier General Eliseo Rio, Vice Chairman.
Election. So may procedure tayo. Sinusunod natin lahat yung mga tamang procedure para hindi naman natin nila sabihin na parang Supreme Court tungkol sa election. Okay, ang tawag dito ay may GR code po na ito, 45. Isinabmit po natin ito noong April 24. Ayun, ano to, motion to intervene in supporting the petition need Attorney Torion doon sa mga voting, mga national yung electronic voting ng mga OFW natin. Ang tawag doon ay online na hindi po dumaan sa proseso ng batas. Walang approval po ng batas para gawin nila iyon. Okay? Maliwanag po sa atin. Walang batas na nag-aproba ng online voting system. So, doon pa lang ay pwedeng i-declare ng taong bayan na invalid yung ginawa nila. Okay. So, bago natin ginanap ito, nagbigay tayo ng kortesiya sa Supreme Court, nagbigay tayo ng kortesiya sa PNP, nagbigay tayo ng kortesiya sa AFP at sa COMELEC, itong ginanap natin na May 7, 8 at saka 9. Okay, so malinaw, hindi tayo pumunta na lang dito tapos pinapaalis kayo kagabi. No, formal po na ni-request ng UPI sa NPICC para i-deliver yung saloobin ng taong bayan. So hindi po may proseso po yung ginagawa natin. So sinagot po ng NPICC po yan na handang tumulong sa apelan ng taong bayan. Okay. So nakahanda na po yan at nagawa na rin po natin kanina yung tinatawag na final execution or declaration of failure of election pag hindi bumba si Atty. Garcia mamaya. Payag pa ba kayo? Walang pwedeng batas na pumigil sa gusto ng taong bayan. Kung ni-request na natin, ginawa natin lahat, natulog kayo, kinagat kayo ng mga lamok, pinapaalis kayo kagabi. So what do they mean? Okay? Ang taong bayan, pag-aari niya lahat ito. So wala silang kapangyarihan na gawin ito. Okay? So pasalamat pa rin tayo at pinayagan tayo. Okay? So magpipili lang ako na mag-serve ngayon. So mga 5 lang siguro. Isa sa inyo, si Sir Darwin siguro ang isa. So kasama yon i-video nyo, yung pagpasok nyo doon para may serve. So isa-serve ng NPICC ito. Okay? So abangan natin kung anong response nila. Okay po ba? Okay, so mamaya pag na-receive na nila, magkakaroon ulit tayo ng consultation dito. So magtanong kayo kung ano yung mga tanong. Nakalay po, andito ang Tropang Visayas. Maraming salamat doon sa vlog nila nung ambus interview natin doon na hindi natin inaasahan. Pero ngayon, kitang-kita na sa Madla na hindi ako against sa kanila or hindi man ako pumapayag sa kanilang maling ginagawa. So yun, nasa gitna lang po tayo. Okay? So maraming salamat. Andito si Prof. Ray. Magbigay ka lang ng konting naka-live. Okay. So mamaya naka-ready na. Nandito na yung final demand for execution of failure of election mamaya kung hindi sila bababa. Okay? Bigyan natin sila ng pagkakataon. Okay? So maraming salamat sa ating lahat.
Sila na lang ang serve nyo. Matuto na yung maluhanin namin.
Sige, okay. Sige, no problem.
Parang ayaw mo makawan-unwan si Garcia.
Sige, bababa naman siya dito eh.
Pag walang bumaba, declare natin ng failure of election. Kasi yun nakalagay.
Ayan, bababae na si Garcia.
Dapat lang bumaba siya. Para maharap.
Nasaan si tropa natin? Yung tropa natin, tropang Bisaya.
Pero pang Bisaya.
Sana.
Yung mga gusto
Ayan,
mag-live, sundan nyo na lang sila. Okay.
Ito.
Tessie.
Ikaw na lang ba?